How to install GCC compiler on Windows 10. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipenbestad, and today I'll guide you on how you can download and install GCC compiler on your Windows. Now first thing, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and head over to your browser. Now I'm on Windows 11, but the process is similar on both the Windows 10 and 11. So first head over to any browser, and on the browser you want to search in for mingw install. So as you can see, I have typed in mingw install. So you'll get this first link here, source first, and you'll get various other links as well. You want to head into the first link, that is mingw gnu for Windows. So you want to click on download, and once you click on download, as you can see, it says your download will start shortly. So you want to wait for a while and the downloads will begin. As you can see, the download has begun. So you want to click on it, double click on it, and you want to open it up. You should get an interface somewhat like this, and then you want to click on install. And as you can see here, installation directory, you can change it if you want, and then simply click on continue, and then it's also download progress here. Once the progress is finished, you want to click on continue. So as you can see, the process is completed. You can click on continue, and now here what you want to select is you want to select this mingw32 base. Now click on it. Now you want to select first this mingw32 base, which is a basic mingw installation. You want to click on it, right click on it, and then click on mark for installation, and then you want to select this third last option, which is the GNU C++ compiler, the mingw32 GCC G++. As you can see, you want to right click again and mark for installation, and then you want to click on installation option at the here on the screen, as you can see, and then you want to click on apply changes, and then you want to click on apply. So now it will take some time, and once it's done, now once you have finished installing the GCC compiler, what you want to do is you want to head into your C drive, so where you installed it. Now under C drive here, you should find this folder called mingw. So you want to open it up, and you want to head into this bin folder at the top, and now here you should be able to find your G++ and GCC compiler here file here. As you can see, it's installed here. Now if you open up and head into command prompt, now I'll just open up cmd for now, and then if you type in GCC here, enter, you can see here now that we get an error. Now we know that the GCC file is installed and it is on our C drive, but our system doesn't know it. So you will have to configure the settings, the variables for it. Now how you can do so, let me guide you through. So you can head into your start menu here, and at the top you want to search in for environment variables here, edit the system environment. So you should get an interface somewhat like this. You can see the environment variables, then you want to head into the path variables, this environment variables option, click on it. And now what you need to know is whenever you type in a command in command prompt, it will look through this system default system pathways, and once it doesn't find it here, it'll look through the added variables, the pathways. So you can simply, what you want to do is you'll have to add the bin drive, the previous compiler bin drive pathway here. So what you want to do is now, so first let's go ahead and copy this path for our bin drive, bin folder. So you want to go ahead and copy this. Now here under system variables, you'll find this path option right here. You want to click on it, you want to select it, and once you select it, you want to click on edit option, and then you want to click on new option, and then you want to paste in the path here, and then you want to click on OK, and then OK again. So now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and close your command prompt. Now remember this, before it says GCC is not recognized as an internal or external command, so error. So you want to close it, and then you want to open it up again, and now this time again if you type in GCC, you can see it says fatal error, no input files for compilation. So it has been compilation terminated. So at least now we know the system knows that the GCC the compiler is installed. So this way you can go ahead and install the GCC on your Windows 10 or 11. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.